Hello there folks, I'm Dan Brown from Sort of Interesting and this is light painting with an iPhone. So what exactly is light painting and how does it work? Simply put, this is long exposure photography coupled with a small point of light created by a torch that we draw shapes in the air in front of us with. So in my simple case, I'm using an iPhone 15 Pro Max. I have to use a tripod to keep it steady because it's on a 30-second long exposure time, and in the dark it looks a little bit like this as I run in front of it and then have to draw each letter or image individually. So I'm going to show you the process in broad daylight, even though there's people walking around who are going to think I have absolutely lost it. Obviously this is the process, but added in the bonus chaos of a dog with me as well. Right then Gizmo, are you ready? So it would be totally dark out here. I would hit the shutter button and then with no light source to begin with, I would quickly run deeper into shot. So that meant I knew that I had plenty of space to do my gestures. Here I'd do my first letter, so light source on, trace out a H for example. Then remembering the mirror image, do an E shape. Now what I try to do is keep an absolute minimum distance between the light source. So my L goes down, light goes off, the next L starts at the bottom so it can be done as rapidly as possible. And of course then a nice big O to finish. And then with the light source completely off again, I would run out of shot to the side. Of course that would just be a much slicker and swifter process basically. And yeah, I'm incredibly self-conscious as somebody walks along the path about 30 foot behind the camera here, so I'm going to say thanks and stop now. So if you've got a tripod, a small torch and a camera or a phone that allows for long exposure pictures, it might be a fun thing to try. Of course, shorter words are a lot easier than something like Llangollen, which I really struggled to get in the 30 seconds my iPhone was giving me. In fact, you can see here I was agonisingly close and only the N got cut off on that particular go. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. Please check out my other videos for loads more things and ideas like this. Until the next time, see ya!